guys, Fanciful here. Welcome back to another episode from the Instructable website. Today, we're building a cheap solution to the expensive world of professional photography. We're making a camera slide. To begin, you'll need three things: a book, flour, and a helper. Now, a book and flour are pretty easy to find, but it's hard to find good help these days. So we'll just do a proof of concept for this one. First thing is choosing a book. You want to choose one that fits properly in your hands. Its ergonomic features correctly proportioned to the way that you grip it. Make sure that it slides smoothly across the surface, because any rough sliding or jolting, you will see in the camera. You need to be comfortable with your book because it needs to slide, should we say, professionally. Once you've chosen your book, the next thing we need to do is powder your surface. Now, there are many powders that you could use, including, but not limited to, baking soda, baking powder, flour, confectioner's sugar, and many, many others. I chose flour because it's very inexpensive and easy to find. Spread your flour across the surface. This will allow you to slide your book more professionally. Slap your bad book down on the table and pull to your heart's desire. Now, because we're professionals and I need the video to be longer, let's look at a few examples of what this could look like. Wow, wasn't that great? Thank you so much for watching. Check back soon for another episode from the Instructables website. If you haven't already, go down below and subscribe, hit the notification bell to get notified every time I release an episode. And as always, stay fancy. Oh, you're still with me. Well, click here to see a video that YouTube thinks you want to watch. Click here to subscribe.